And green days so pure, so bright, with growth as in the moonlit night. Feel the breeze, a soft delight, youthful glow in pale moonlight. Dancing shadows, gentle sway, chasing all our fears away. Morning dew, where dreams to play, soft melodies begin to say. Mint green energy we find, bringing light to heart and mind. Hold the colors intertwined, timeless dreams in mint green bind. Crystal skies of fragile hue, every moment feels so new. In this light we start anew.